can feel the energy from here, Ate Angel. And good afternoon sa ating lahat, Next Generation, and welcome to our 8th anniversary celebration! Grabe isang malaking blessing na magkakasama tayo and to witness 8 years of God's faithfulness sa Next Gen.
Tama ka dyan, palapakan naman natin si Lord for sustaining this ministry for 8 years. Imagine that. Come on, let's give our loudest clap offering to Jesus, everyone.
And we thank Him for sustaining us. At hindi lang basta taon or number of years yung sineselebrate natin Next Gen. We are also celebrating years of testimonies, answered prayers, and changed lives.
And speaking of that, testimonies and answered prayer, so tingin tayo sa mga katabi natin, magaganda at gwapo ba? Yes! So dahil dyan, sabihin niyo naman sa katabi niyo na you are part of God's faithfulness. Okay ba yun? Sabihin niyo sa katabi niyo, you are part of God's faithfulness.
And wala naman atang napilitan, ano?
Yes, oo.
Yung katabi natin ay part of God. You are part of God's faithfulness. Angel.
Kasi we are here today.
Yes, and indeed, we respond to His faithfulness by walking and growing deeper in our faith sa Kanya, di ba, Ate?